internet, today I have a kawaii box unboxing video. Let's just get right into the video. So, I can't remember what month this is now. September. Oh wow, okay, that's surprisingly on time because it currently is September. And the theme seems to be travel with Sumikko Gurashi. Is this like a travel theme? Because I would love that. Oh my gosh, I think it is a travel theme one. Oh, I'm obsessed with travel stuff. So, let's get right into it. Okay, this is like the first thing I noticed. Oh, it's adorable. I just wish that these plushies had like keychains with them so that you could hang them up, because right now... Oh no, it does. Oh, I'm wrong. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So you can hang him, but then if he's cold, you can give him a little winter coat. Oh my gosh, guys, that is too cute. Like, I cannot even. That is so cute. I was like half contemplating giving it to my niece, and like now there's no way I'm giving it to my niece, as selfish as that may sound, because that's so cute. I want to keep him. Then we have, is it like little kitten snacks, like soda snacks? I think they're like jellies, so they kind of like feel like jelly snacks. Oh yeah, there you go, like little paws, but soda flavored. That's cute. Then we have some washi tape, like a unicorn washi tape. Let's open that up. Oh, it's not very, there's not a lot of it. Like, I always notice that now, like, this is huge, and then the tape is like not, there's not a lot of it. Okay, it's 5 meters. 5 meters is still decent though. But yeah, it's like a unicorn design, which is cute. What is this? This is kind of cool. This looks like miniature washi tape. It is miniature washi tape, and there's like a little tape dispenser, but these are all just like tiny washi tapes. That's so adorable. And we have some pens here. These are definitely more like decorative pens. Like, these are not pens that I would use to take notes at, although this seems like a marker. Okay, you know what? I'm going to test these out at the end of the video, just out of curiosity now. So we've got a notebook. Sumikko Gurashi notebook. So Sumikko Gurashi, for you who don't know, is from the San-X line. They're not Sanrio, but I'm not sure why San-X is so similar to Sanrio. But you've got 4 different designs. So you've got this design, this one, this one. So cute. Like, I can't get over how cute the designs are from Sumikko Gurashi. And then we have a little badge here as well. A little navigation badge. And then, oh no, there's 2 things here. I thought it was the last one. These are gutetama. So it's the little egg. He's the egg yolk in the egg. Little transparent stickers, so you can see all the different designs here. And then these are sticky notes of like little husky. So cute. Alright, that's everything in this month's box. I'm going to pack this away and then try out those pens. Alright, so as you can see, we've got 2 unicorn pens. I wanted to try them just because I noticed when I took the lid off one of them, like this purple one, it was a weird tip. Like, I can't tell if this is like a cover, like, you know how sometimes you can get like the little rubber covers, or this is the actual pen. So, what? No way. Okay, I'm going crazy. I thought this was like a crayon or something, and I was like, you can write with this, but no. It literally is just the tip that comes off to the gel pen. Okay, I thought I was literally going nuts. It's just that I've not seen tips that big before. Like, this seems like a piece of lead, so I thought it was a crayon or something. But no, this is just a normal pen. So, yeah, a normal gel pen. Cool, writes really well, and I'm assuming something similar for this one. Yep, another gel pen, also in black, just a little thicker. So this one, I don't know what the pen, I don't know the tip size for these, but this one definitely, as you can tell, just feels thicker, so maybe a 0.7 and a 0.5. The purple one does say it's 0.5, but the pink one doesn't have any labels on it, so we can't really tell. But yeah, just generic pens that I think is really more for looks, especially with the heavy unicorn heads. What is this? Oh my gosh, guys, it lights up. How cute is that? All right, this is officially my favorite gimmick pen. This is so cool. Like, I would probably keep this in my pencil case just for the light up. So if I'm ever like a power outage or something, I've got like a little torch with me, but it's also a pen, so why not? That is so cute. All right. I'm done with this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Selena reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.